Hello everybody, we're getting ready to do our mid-chapter review for Chapter 8 of Pre-Algebra Math. Here is my contact if you need materials for this course. Chapter 8, this will be the mid-chapter review for Chapter 8. You will have 40 points of note-taking in this review and then 50 points of classwork today. Teachers, your bell work for today is which inequality has no solutions in the first quadrant of a coordinate plane. Here's your choice, students. And then number 2, write the expression using only positive exponents here. Give your students about 4 minutes. Okay, welcome back. For our solutions, here is using only positive exponents. This reciprocates down here, so we have 2b to the 8th over a cubed. And then for number 1, well, we didn't get to that, so that's up to you, students. Okay, reviewing our key vocabulary today. Students, this is your vocabulary: relation, solution of an equation in two variables, rise, domain, linear inequality in two variables, and then run. So that would be page 1, and this goes in your notebook. 10 points for this entry, for these entries here. Then more vocabulary, your notebook entry: range, graph an equation in two variables, slope-intercept form, best fitting line, input, solution of a linear inequality in two variables. Page 3 of your review here, notebook entry, 10 points, output linear equation, function notation, system of linear equations, function form, and then function. Page 4, more notebook entries here. Vertical line test, x-intercept, half plane, equation in two variables, y-intercept, and solution of a linear system. So that is your vocabulary. Now we're going to get into some questions here. What is the difference between the domain and range of a relation? Write a linear equation in slope-intercept form. Identify the slope and the y-intercept in that form. 2 questions here, 5 points each for that. Classwork. This should be on your classwork sheet, students. Okay, our first example here, reviewing 8.1, relations and functions. Represent this relation here as a graph and as a mapping diagram. Here is your grid. So here is your plot of these ordered pairs here. These will be your plot. And then as a mapping diagram, this would be that here, your input and your outputs. That would be it. And then represent into our guided practice here and independent practice. Represent the relation as a graph and as a mapping diagram. We'll do this. Students, this is you. So for number 1, there is our plot of these ordered pairs. And then there's our mapping diagram. This is our inputs. These are our outputs. This is what you need to do down here, students. And for 8.2, linear equations in two variables. So tell whether -4 or -6 and 2, 8 is a solution of this equation here. So we'll try -4, -6. We'll plug that in. There's your x and y. We'll plug in -4, -6 and see if it comes out. It does. It checks. So this would be a solution of that. And then our next one here would be 2 and 8. To plug into there, 3x plus y. We have 2 does not equal 6, so 2 and 8 is not on that. Is not a solution for that. It's not on the line, basically, of this here. It's not on that line. Okay, let's check. Guided practice here. Tell whether the ordered pair is a solution. We plug in. And -2, -3 is not a solution for this expression here. Down here, students, this is yours. Check that. And that was our year mid-chapter review for up to 8.2 anyways. Contact me here if you need more materials, worksheets, quizzes, tests, etc. Thank you very much.